One of the most common challenges for students in university are STEM classes: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Specifically, the word problems, equation problems, science problems, and so forth, which are often found in those classes. And why is that? Well, some students believe that they are not a math or science person, so they can't do those kinds of problems. But that isn't the case at all. Everyone can participate, succeed, and enjoy STEM classes with the right kind of support and guidance. Teachers know these kinds of problems are difficult, so many times these problems are demonstrated to students. The teacher will read through the problem and then solve it. They will show you the math, they will write down the steps, and finally show you the solution. Then the teacher will give you homework and ask you to solve them. But when you try to solve these problems, you might feel confused. You might scratch your head. You might even say, "Where do I even begin? Why is that? Why after a demonstration are you still confused?" Solving STEM problems is not like teaching someone to catch a ball. We can't just show them how to do it and then ask them to do it. In the same way, you can't teach someone how to do a magic trick by showing them magic tricks. I could show you 1,000 magic tricks and you might be impressed by all of them. Yet when I hand you the deck of cards to perform the same trick, you can't do it. And why is that? We need to go much deeper than showing students. We need to look inward toward our own mind. When we solve problems, there are many hidden thoughts and cues that we see or notice in the problems. What word did you notice? What shape did you notice? What symbol? What pattern? When I see this, I think this. These thoughts and cues provide us an understanding of why and what to do. These thoughts and cues are hidden in our mind. In order to teach someone how to solve these problems, we need to take these hidden thoughts and cues and make them clear for students. These thoughts and cues form the foundation for solving many different problems. But students will need support in order to master these thoughts. Support for students should come in two different ways: out of class support and in class support. Out of class support should come for homework, such as videos of thoughts and cues, walkthroughs through various problems. A professor could walk through their problem not just by solving it, but telling you about their own thoughts and cues as they did it, how they arrived at the solution. What did they see? What did they notice? Which symbol? What shape? What pattern? In-class support should come in the form of reducing extraneous information on PowerPoint slides in order to increase coherence, as well as signaling and segmenting important information in textbooks and PowerPoints, and finally organizing the information spatially and visually. This will help students process the material and information more efficiently and effectively. Every class within the field of STEM can follow these guidelines to make your educational experience less stressful, more efficient, more effective, and more fun, whether it is chemistry, physics, engineering, mathematics, computer science, and so forth. So why don't they? There is a fundamental rule of the universe. If you say nothing, then nothing will change. Democracy allows people to voice their opinions. This is your school, your institution. You have the power to voice your opinions peacefully and proactively to enact real fundamental change. As a student of UNCC, you can voice your opinions through your SGA, Student Government Association. These are also your direct representatives and should represent your voice in many aspects of your life at UNCC. But again, if you don't share your opinions, thoughts, and experiences with them, then they won't know what they are. You can contact your representatives through the UNCC SGA website by clicking on the Legislative tab and find your representative. From there, you can contact your college-specific senator or at-large senators for more general problems, as well as clicking on the Leadership tab and contacting your student body president and vice president. Please let your voice be heard and share your classroom experience. If you agree with what was said in this video, feel free to send them a polite email with this video link attached. Also, please share this video with your friends and classmates. Encourage them to share it with their friends and classmates as well. The more people involved in sharing their opinions, the more things will change. Thank you.